Rights of agent. An agent has the following rights against the principal. Right to retain his dues. Out of sums received on account of principal in the business in the agency, the agent may retain monies due to himself in respect of his remuneration and payments made by him in conducting such business. Right to receive remuneration. The agent is entitled to his remuneration. In absence of any special contract, payment for the performance of any act is not due to the agent until the completion of such act. An agent who is guilty of misconduct in the business of the agency is not entitled to any remuneration in respect of that part of the business having been misconducted. Right of lien. An agent is entitled to retain goods, papers and other property, whether movable or immovable, of the principal received by him until the amount due to himself for commission, unless agreed to the contrary, and services has been paid or accounted for to him. Such lien of the agent is of a particular lien and is confined to claims arising in connection with the goods or property in respect of which the right is claimed. An agent may have a general lien extending to all claims arising out of the agency by a special contract. Right of indemnification. An agent has a right to be indemnified against the consequences of all lawful acts done by him in exercise of the authority conferred upon him. The principal is not responsible for any illegal act done by the agent, even if it is done as per principal's instruction. Where one person employs another to do an act and the agent does not act in good faith, the agent can claim to be indemnified against the consequences of the act, even though it causes an injury to the rights of a third person. Right of compensation. The agent has a right to be compensated for injuries sustained by him by neglect or want of skill on the part of the principal. Right of stoppage in transit. The goods agent acquires the right to stop the goods in transit like an unpaid seller, where the agent has bought goods for his principal by incurring a personal liability in respect of the money which he has paid or is liable to pay. Insolvency of buyer. The agent is personally liable to the principal for the price of the goods sold on the insolvency of the buyer. Ostensible authority. When an agent is employed for a particular business, persons dealing with him can presume that he has authority to do all such acts as are necessary to such business. Such authority is called ostensible authority. In case of acts of an agent are in excess of his actual authority, but within his ostensible authority, the principal is bound by such acts of the agent.